Hey everybody, welcome to Cooking with Chef Tuan. Today's video was a surprise for me too. I wasn't planning on making a burger and fries video, but here we are. I started the day wanting to make Hokkaido milk bread burger buns. But then once I started doing it, I thought to myself, what are we going to do with these buns if we're not going to make burgers? So here we are. I'll put a link down below in the description box of the recipe and the video that I used for these buns, which you can tell turned out beautifully. And today I felt like putting bacon into my burger. Now the best way to make bacon, I believe, is to put it in the oven at 350 for about 20-25 minutes till they're nice and crispy. Also, these are some fries that I made. These are going to be double cooked French fries. I'll make a video in the future telling you how to make these. They're really simple, really quick, and really delicious. You'll love these fries. Yeah, once the buns came out of the oven, this is what they look like. We're gonna split it and to check to see how the crumb on the inside is. And man, I gotta tell you, light and fluffy. Gotta toast your buns. You always have to toast your buns. Always. There's no excuse, no exception to the rule. Nice and toasted buns. And then for burger meat, I like to use a ripping hot cast iron pan with some ground chuck meat. And I found this little smasher thing that has a lip on it, so you can smash your burger all the way down without squeezing the life out of it. Now with that lip, it will make your burger patty about 1/4 of an inch thick, fully cooked. So here I smash it and I let it sear, a really hard sear on one side, salt and pepper on both sides. And then you have to use, what I use is like a paint scraper to flip it over. You see the brown crust on there? That is amazing flavor. That's what makes these burgers so amazing. These smash burgers, you can find them at like In-N-Out, Shake Shack does it, a lot of places do it. And if you haven't tried one of these kind of burgers yet, you need to try it. It will change your life. Now on this burger, I'm going to be using 2 patties and 1 slice of cheese. And like the other one, you season both sides, put the cheese on it, then I'm gonna put the other piece on top, and that's it. And now we're gonna go and build our burger. Here's our toasted bun, and I realized that I really like fresh jalapenos in my burger. There's something about spicy and fatty and all the burger flavors that I absolutely love. And man, look at that burger, guys. All the brown flavor crust on there, the melted gooey cheese, thinly sliced red onions. I like my toppings sliced thin. That way, like, you feel the layers of crunch go through with every single bite, and it doesn't slide out. When you get like a big slice of tomato, it's all squishy and all that stuff. For me, that doesn't make a great burger. Now you need some lettuce. Gotta have some greens, and look at that. Look at this burger. Perfect meat to bun ratio. And I gotta tell you, this burger bun, it looks really big, but it is so soft and squishy that it is the perfect ratio for everything. And then here are the fries. Like I said earlier, they are double cooked. I will have a video in the future showing how to make these fries. Look at this. The Hokkaido burger bun, double patty burger, bacon, double fried French fries. Man, this video was a surprise and a very delicious surprise. Guys, thanks for watching and have a great one. Peace.